Welcome to this blog edition of Operatives. I am Jagdish Singh Salwan, and right now I am standing just in front of Computer Science and Application DCSA. It's basically a computer department of Panjab University, Chandigarh. And right now we are conducting a sort of a field survey and sort of collecting different type of diverse opinion regarding ChatGPT, because this particular department is related to that computing field only, and we hope that they are the source of best ground reaction on the subject of ChatGPT itself. Okay, yes.
No.
First of all, just introduce yourselves.
So my name is Jitendra Bishnoi and I'm a first year student of computer science. Here I'm pursuing my MCA. And on ChatGPT, first of all, it's in its initial phase, where you can say it beta version, and like just like Google 20-30 years ago when it was not to its full potential as that of now.
Okay.
So anybody who
Okay. Let me just introduce yourself once again, because at that time Mike was not.
So my name is Jitendra Bishnoi. I'm pursuing MCA from here. I'm a first year student. I just got enrolled last year here in September, and this is my second semester right now.
Okay. So it's your second semester.
Yes.
So have you already tried ChatGPT?
Yes. On a regular basis, we are using ChatGPT. 90-95% of the department, including teachers and students, are using ChatGPT.
Even they are generating codes also.
Yes. Generating codes, everything, even debugging code. If you put a line in it and ask what is the error and this is the language, it will simply point it out. This is the error, and that's how you can solve it.
Because ChatGPT is a very recent phenomenon. Just 6th or 7th month that nobody is using.
Yes.
Almost. Before that, what was the scenario and what is right now?
See, the scenario was that if I had a problem with any coding problem or any specific problem, I had to Google it, and the exact response was not generated. Some form site like Quora or Stack Overflow may answer the question or may not.
Okay.
Right? But now ChatGPT understands, because of its natural language processing technology, it understands what I'm asking and what I'm specifically looking for. So it will, and because of its thinking capability, and it is trained on a huge database, it can generate exact answer which I'm looking for.
Have you tried both the versions? The latest one?
Yes. I've been using it.
The latest one is much more improved. But that
what is the main difference as per your own perception?
the difference was that previously, if I used to ask questions, it used to give answers on a previous database.
Okay.
Or outdated answers.
Okay.
But now, it from learning from its users, it has started to give recent updated information.
Okay.
But that doesn't mean that the answer would be 100% correct.
Okay.
That we can say that it is about 80 to 90% correct. Then we have to manually check whether the answer is working or not.
Then how do you perceive or how do you visualize the exact change it will bring in the future?
We can
Because you are very much into academics of the related fields.
we can get the exact answer. For example, if I have a problem regarding to some language, for example Python.
What's your good name?
My name is Saurabh.
You are doing what?
I am pursuing a Master's of Computer Application from this department only.
Punjab University.
Yes, I am in the second semester.
Okay. Yes.
So if my query is in Python language,
Okay.
I can directly generate the code or ask the ChatGPT for a bug. But that was not the case with Google. I used to manually search for some websites for that particular code or bug.
Okay.
But in ChatGPT, my exact answer is solved, but that is not 100% correct. I need to at least check
you
it.
mean to say that ChatGPT has just transformed every pressure into a full stack developer?
No, the ChatGPT can't give you experience. It can only give you answers. Now, how to apply those answers?
No, maybe someone is very creative and he is thinking about every direction and
Well, for creative people, the jobs were there before and they are right now and they will be in the near future.
Okay.
And the creative jobs are the only job which will be left, and we won't be affected by
what
the
sort of differences do you see in the future?
any repetition job, any job which requires a certain amount of learning curve will be replaced, because now the data set, it can train itself on huge data set and generate answers. So anybody who was doing some repetitive task will be removed from his job, and
So,
it's happening right now.
How the student community is perceiving or receiving this ChatGPT? They are using.
Well, first of all, AI and ML were very hot topic, but were not discussed as such.
Okay.
But now everybody is inclined towards them because of this innovation.
It is the case of specific this department only, or if I just talk about other department like anthropology or maybe chemistry.
Exactly. I asked the same question from two students of UIT.
Okay.
The same branch. हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी की है,
हाँ जी.
बीटेक करवाते हैं वो, तो उन्होंने बोला कि they don't even know about ChatGPT.
Okay.
So in computer science area and related field, people are more gravitated towards the technology as compared to other fields where the requirement of such a tool or technology is not as required as much.
I think the
disadvantages भी बहुत ज़्यादा है मेरे
I think the person who is using the ChatGPT and these latest technologies would definitely replace the person who is not using it, because his efficiency would be much greater.
And what was your reaction? You are saying something.
इससे एक प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है कि हमें किसी भी चीज से रिलेटेड एक ब्रीफ भी मिलेगा, मतलब पूरा प्रॉपर पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं मिल सकता. जैसे अगर हम गूगल सर्च करते थे किसी चीज को पहले
Okay.
कि ये काम कैसे होना है,
Okay.
तो गूगल हमें अच्छी तरह डिस्क्राइब करता था, डिफरेंट वेबसाइट्स वगैरह देता है ना. बट चैट जीपीटी हमें एक रोड मैप बना के देगा कि ये काम ऐसे करना है.
Okay.
तो हम जो हमारे पास और ऑप्शंस है कि इस काम को बेटर करने के वो चीज नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो इस वे में ये क्रिएटिविटी को इफेक्ट करेगा.
सिंगल ओपिनियन मिलता है.
अच्छा, one thing more. What about the future of core language like PHP, Java, Python, C, or something like that? Python.
Well, talking about advanced concept and big industry projects, they won't be affected as such because it still can generate only small scripting codes and snippets. It is not able to develop a full-fledged project.
software on
It is not capable of that for now. But for any development in IT sector, if you look at the graph, it's still at its base point, and the graph goes deeply now. Right
So,
after
they will remain in the picture.
Yeah.
You mean to say?
they will remain in the picture, but not for too long. But not for too long. Yes.
Because हम डेटा को शिफ्ट नहीं कर सकते अपने नेक्स्ट, जैसे अभी वेब 2.0 हम यूज कर रहे हैं अब तक, अब धीरे-धीरे
Do you think there will be a emergence of a new kind of language?
Well, it is already there. It is already there.
Like?
There are more than 900 or languages, but still we are looking for a language which can
That is very close to this AI.
very close to AI. Python itself is very close to AI.
Ruby on the Rails.
Ruby on Rails.
Yeah,
well,
okay.
That's the framework. Ruby on Rails.
Okay.
Full stack.
Yes. Okay.
Any more
again.
questions, sir?
Thanks.
Thank you
Thanks
so
a
much.
lot.
Thank you so much.